Good morning, students. I hope you all are keeping fine. So, dear students, we went through the types of pronouns, and today we are going to learn a new pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun as well as emphatic pronoun, which is related to just a reflexive pronoun. Okay, so we will be going through this reflexive pronoun today. So, on the page number 23, okay, on the page number 23, it is given about the reflexive pronoun. So, what is reflexive pronoun? Okay, so pronoun such as myself, herself, yourself, itself always refer to the subject in a sentence. So, myself, okay, myself, herself, yourself, itself, okay, always refer, these words refer, okay, always refer means point out to the subject in a sentence, always point out to the subject in a sentence. Okay, then reflexive pronouns are used when subject and object. See these 2 points. Okay, the reflexive pronouns are used when subject and object refer to the same person. Okay, when subject and object both refers to the same person. For that, I have taken an example. See, this first example is of reflexive pronoun. Zeba managed to save herself. Zeba. What is Zeba in the sentence? Zeba is a subject in a sentence. Okay? Zeba is a subject. Okay? Herself is an object. Okay? Herself is an object in a sentence. Okay? Zeba managed to save herself. So, Zeba is a subject in a sentence and herself in its object. So, here it is written, reflexive pronouns are used when subject and object. When subject and object both refers to same person. Okay? When subject and object both refers to same person. Okay? These both are referring to each other. These both are referring to each other, connected to each other. Zeba, okay, not any other person. What? She herself managed. Nobody else helped her to save her. Okay, she herself saved. So, the subject and object both are referring to each other. The subject and object both are referring to each other. So, this is called a reflexive pronoun. Reflex. Okay? The subject reflects upon the object and object reflects upon the subject. Both refer to each other. Next is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronouns are used to put emphasis on the subject. Okay? Are used to put emphasis on the subject. So here the second sentence is about emphasis pronoun. Gayatri herself did the work within an hour. So here it is used to put emphasis. Emphasis on subject. Gayatri. Okay. Now Gayatri is a subject in a sentence. Okay. Gayatri is a subject in a sentence. And this emphasis pronoun, emphasis on the subject. Gayatri herself did the work within an hour. This is the word. This emphasis pronoun reflects. Emphasis on the subject. State what the subject has done. Is that clear? Okay. So, in the reflexive pronoun, the subject reflects upon the object, the object reflects upon the subject. Both are referred to each other. And here, the emphasis pronoun state something. Okay, it emphasis on the Gayatri herself. Emphasis state. Okay, Gayatri herself did the work within an hour. So reflexive pronoun, the emphasis pronoun, both are connected to each other actually. The reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun both are connected to each other. In reflexive pronoun, they refer to each other, same person. The reflexive pronoun, in that subject and object both refers to each other, and in emphatic pronoun, it emphasize on the subject. It emphasize on the subject. Okay, so let us go through further on exercise. So we will go through the exercise, okay, of reflexive and emphatic pronoun. It is on the page number 24. So in this we can understand more which are the reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Dear students, as I told you, the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. In reflexive pronoun, it refers a subject and object refers to the same, and in emphatic pronoun the emphatic pronoun emphasize on the subject. Okay, so what to circle around the pronoun in each sentences and say whether they are reflexive or emphatic pronoun. So the first sentence here we have, my elder brother cooked my birthday meal himself. Okay, so here the subject, my elder brother, and pronoun himself. So this is an emphatic pronoun. This sentence is of emphatic pronoun. The emphatic pronoun emphasize on the subject. Who cooked the food? My brother himself. My brother himself. So we have to circle the emphatic pronoun here, and we have to write here emphatic pronoun. Okay, which emphasize on the subject. Which emphasize on the subject. My brother himself cooked food on my birthday. So emphatic pronoun. Diya's cat liked to look at itself in the mirror. Who likes to look in the mirror? Diya's cat. So both these, Diya and itself, both refer to the same. Subject and object refers to each other. So itself is so this sentence is of reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Okay. This sentence is of reflexive pronoun. Okay. Next is third one. The President of India himself presents the awards on the Republic Day. Now, can you identify this sentence? This sentence is also an emphatic pronoun. The emphatic pronoun emphasizes on the subject. Who gives awards? The President of India himself. Okay? So, this emphatic pronoun emphasizes on the subject. So, this also is an emphatic pronoun. I am writing in the short form, but write as it is, I have written it. Okay? Emphatic pronoun. Fourth one. John bought himself a nice shirt to celebrate his success. John bought himself. Again, this sentence is of emphatic pronoun. The emphasis on the subject. Okay? It emphasizes on the subject, himself. Okay? So again it emphasizes on the subject. This also is an emphatic pronoun. Clear? Next, Rani found herself stuck in a huge traffic jam. Who found himself? Sorry, who found herself? So, Rani found herself. Where she was stuck? In a traffic jam. Okay? Where she was stuck? So, she was stuck in a traffic jam. So herself. So this is of an reflexive pronoun. This is a reflexive pronoun. It reflects upon the subject. Okay. The sixth one, the patient was so critical that the senior doctor himself performed the operation. Now dear student, this also is an emphatic pronoun sentence. Why it is emphatic pronoun? It refers to the same. Okay? It emphasizes on the subject. It emphasizes who performed the action. The doctor, senior doctor himself performed the action. Who was very critical? The patient was very critical. Next is 7. Ali himself. So it is an emphatic pronoun. Next is Ali himself washes all his clothes. He doesn't allow his mother to do it for him. This also is an emphatic pronoun sentence. Okay, it emphasizes on the subject. And which is the subject here? Ali is a subject here. And the last sentence, I can look after myself. So myself is an reflexive pronoun. So it is a reflexive pronoun. So dear students, this is the reflexive and emphatic pronoun exercise. So you please go through it once again, read the definitions, understand. If you have any doubt and query, please ask to me at any time. And write down these exercises with a good and beautiful handwriting in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all.